When he checked his home camera, he couldn't believe it. A tiny kitten had fallen into a barrel full of dirty water. He rushed to check, and to his relief, she was still alive. He dried her off, kept her warm through the cold night, and the next day gave her a proper bath and took her to the vet. But there was one problem.
Her vet visit went well. She's healthy. She's good to go. I'm not a cat person. I have a 120-pound Saint Bernard, Winnie.
At home, he already had a huge dog. He feared they would never get along, but then the miracle happened. In just 1 week, the dog and the kitten were inseparable, from strangers to the best of friends. Isn't this just a beautiful, huge family?